Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys the low tire pressure issue that I have right now. Because I rotated the tire, I'm gonna check what's wrong with this tire. It's either my tire is flat, or I don't have enough air to my tire. That's the reason why it showed the tire pressure. Or any puncture to your tire can cause this TPMS low pressure code to your dashboard. And I'm gonna check it right now, try to troubleshoot what's wrong with it. I'll check the tire pressure today. Okay, I'm gonna turn this up right now. Okay guys, I'm gonna use this Maxi TPMS TS 508 WF. Stand for this is stand for Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi for this TPMS, it won't work. That's only marketing from hotel. I can tell you guys honestly, because this is my second PC TPMS relearner tools that I swap, that I get a replacement from Amazon. I got this for close to $300 together with 4 sensor, because I want to change the sensor of my Mitsubishi. I don't know if there's something wrong with the sensor itself. That's why I got the code to my dashboard, but let me check it right now if anything wrong with it, so I can easily figure out. But don't believe with this TS508 WF. It's not a Wi-Fi. This is my second time, without being said, that I tried to update this Maxi TPMS TS508 using only this tool, but it will not allow me to update without the USB cable. And I even talked to the guy, a service agent from Maxi TPMS, and it took me 45 minutes to talk to the technician guy. The technician asked me to use the USB cable, but I told to the guy, the service agent, technicians, why should I use the cable? That's the reason why these tools created, and they updated, they changed the Maxi TPMS into wireless to update this TPMS. But unfortunately, you cannot update this in reality. That's only marketing strategy of the hotel company. Don't get pulled to the marketing strategy of this TPMS. And this is my second tools that I use this, but it won't let me update without the USB cable to update the necessary program that you need to install to this hotel TPMS relearner, enable for you guys to use this. But I already updated by myself, and I told to the service technician guy from hotel, the WF is not a Wi-Fi, it's a what the fuck. That is what it stands for. You guys try to put together a customer, that is a deceiving strategy from Maxi TPMS. I can put all my money that you guys cannot you can't install this using my Wi-Fi. I already done several times, and it will not let me to log in to my Wi-Fi, so I need to literally use the USB cable to download all the program, which I did, because the first one that I ordered, I returned it because I thought there's something wrong with the firmware, but it's not the firmware, it is the hotel itself. So they created this just to for the cat's eye to people to buy this, but once you buy, you literally use the cable to program this and to update, to get the necessary update in order for you guys to use this hotel. So right now I'm gonna use it right now. So my I'm gonna I'm gonna turn this on, and let me fire this in. Turn it on. I press the button. Now it fire out. So I'm gonna use the TPMS diagnostic by pressing the Y button So TPMS diagnostic. This is the program that I have, that I already did, but I'm gonna show you guys again. Let me delete this thing. I'm gonna delete this. You see, there's something wrong with the sensors to my left, even though there's a check, but there's a red mark that 173. So I need to correct that, the error. So let me check it again. Let me reprogram it again. So this is a 2008. As you see, there are a lot of options. So this vehicle is a 2018. The signal that they use to the sensor is a 315 megahertz, but I cannot use the 2020 because it's not a 2020, 2021. So I need to go through the 2006 up to 2022. So by pressing the downward button, it will go down the program, and then you need to press the Y to select that 2006. So I'm gonna press it again. So after you press it, you are able to program now. That click TPMS, program sensor, position relearn. So we're gonna do the position relearn. Try to click on this one first, the TPMS diagnostic. We need to diagnose what's wrong with this. So as you see, because I already did to check the TPMS, and I need to clear it out. You see the note to this TPMS. It's a clear the previous data from the tools. So I need to click yes, so that I'm able to use it. Right now, it's telling me that I need to check it by pressing this button in the middle, that signal button like that, and putting this to my TPMS. It will able to collect the information to this file. Let me click it. I'm to the driver's side. As you see, there's something wrong. It's in red button, even though it's a check. The battery is okay, but something wrong with the air. The air that I put to this vehicle. I think I need to correct that later on. So I'm gonna go to the other side because it's asked me to go to the passenger side. Now I'm already here at the passenger side, so I need to test this out again. And click on this button. So the tire in plate air, it's okay, it's in green. Only the driver's side has a problem. So I'm gonna go to the passenger side, rear. So this is the rear side. I'm gonna press this button again. You need to press that in order for you to scan it. I'm gonna press it again, scan it. So no problem with the rear. I'm gonna go to the other side, to the driver's side. So this is the driver's side rear. So I need to press this again. Press it. Okay. Now I already got all the information. So it says note, confirm whether the vehicle has a spare tire with the TPMS sensor. If no, please connect the OBD2 and turn the ignition on and press OK to continue. And if yes, press cancel to go back to activate the spare tire. The spare tire, I don't have any problem with that. I don't need it. I have a problem with this to the passenger side, to the driver's side, the front driver's side. I need to inflate it. Now let's go inside. And this is the OBD2 cable that I need to put it to my Maxi TPMS the 508 WF. After I hook this up to the OBD2 underneath this underneath the steering, so I'm gonna hook this up to my hotel TPMS. So my OBD2 socket is underneath here. As you see, that's my OBD2 to my Mitsubishi Outlander 2018. I need to hook this cable, this OBD2 cable. I need to hook this up. As you see, so I need to put it like this. Well, as you see, I already hooked this up. The cable, I secure it pretty well. Make sure that to snugly secure it. And all I need to do, I need to put this to my OBD, to my Maxi tool. Well, as you see the instruction, you note to confirm whether the vehicle has a spare. I have a spare, but I don't need to program it. Please connect the OBD2 and turn the ignition on and press OK to continue. So I need to turn on the ignition, so I need to follow the instructions as what I see here. Okay, so I need to turn on the ignition. Let me turn on the ignition right now. Let me fire this out. I already fired this out. Now all I need to do is to press this OK. Communicating with the vehicle, please wait. Just wait for a little bit, and I still see the low pressure because the air that I put it is not good. Read ID successful, read the DTC successful, and press OK. There you go. As you see that there's a problem with the driver's side, and there's a TPMS punctuation mark that you'll see. So all I need to do, I need to press this Y to continue to view what's wrong with it. Communicating with the vehicle, please reading the DTC. So the tire air pressure is low. This is the good thing for this TPMS. You are able to figure out what's wrong with your tire without this Maxi TPMS WF. But the WF for me, this is for me, not for other people who try this out. For me, the WF is not for Wi-Fi for me because I live in Las Vegas and I use the Cox internet service, but I'm not able to update this TPMS WF TS508 without the cable, without the USB cable. But this is a expensive TPMS relearner, but I'm happy that I'm able to figure out, and that's the code C1942 tire air pressure low tire. So active, so it means to say that my tire pressure is low. So all I need to do is to adapt the air, and let me see if the air will deplete again. And once it depleted again, so all I need to do to look up the tire itself and use a bubble, the soap, to see if any nail puncture or any screw that punctures my tire. That's the only way you guys to remove that low tire pressure. But right now I'm gonna finish this review, and I already figured out what's wrong with this. So the problem that I have is low tire pressure. So all I need to do is to inflate the air, and this problem will be resolved. So I hope you guys learn how to troubleshoot your low tire pressure um, code to your Mitsubishi Outlander or either Outlander Sport. I'm using this TPMS tools. This one is a little bit expensive. I got this as a bundle. I bought this for 288 plus tax pre-delivery, and it was on sale during that time. But if you will buy this TPMS TS508 WF, not a Wi-Fi, this is a what the fuck hotel tool relearner. You cannot update this without using the USB cable. That's what I experienced. I'm speaking for myself, and I had a bad experience with this. But this tools is good but too expensive. But if you guys want to buy a sensor, you need to buy the same hotel brand in order for you guys to easily relearn the new sensor, and you are able to put it to your tires. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. I hope you guys learn and like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I catch you guys later for my next video. And that's how you guys should troubleshoot and to figure out what's wrong with your low pressure tire pressure. The problem that I have, without being said, is the low pressure only. So I need to inflate the tire. It's either there's something wrong with the tire itself, that there is a punctures that I need to fix it and to patch it. So I'm gonna check this out later on, but I'm gonna end up this video. I hope you guys learned today, and kindly share, subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.